What are the best export settings for Instagram Reels and TikTok videos? I'm going to share with you what's worked for me with my clients that I send their Reels to, their TikTok videos to, and myself that I post on my own Instagram page. And if you're curious, you can take a look at what my videos look like when I post them. I get a ton of people asking me, what are your export settings? So let me show you what's worked for me. I'm going to keep this very simple and short. This is a reel that I put together. I shoot a lot with my girlfriend when she goes horse riding. It's one of my favorite places to be. It's quiet. I get to collect my thoughts. I get to think of business ideas. But anyways, I've put together this little snippet over here. Let's say I'm going to put my out point over here. Command M or Control M. So I have a whole preset just called Reels. So what I do is I export in 1080p by 1920. I mean, you can take your odds if you want to really export in 4K. I set my maximum render depth. I use maximum render quality. I set my target bitrate to 25, and this has always worked for me. And then I always export with the Q2 gamma compensation. So that is from Sony's website themselves, where it helps with the color correction. So this is without it, and this is with it. And when it is exported, it literally looks like this. And my girlfriend, she's so beautiful. And if you want to see what it really looks like on Instagram, you can just head on over to my page. This is not me telling you do something, but if you're curious and you want to see what did the export actually look like, you can look for yourself. Try these settings. Let me know if it works for you. It works for me.